Oh. Oh God, come on. I just sleep on my floor every time I wake up after. God. Why do I have to keep recording? Every single time I have to record. Because I wake up. Anyway, what's up guys? This is Dysfunctional TV here. I mean television. And I'm going to be reacting to Try Not to Laugh. If I laugh, you guys get to diss track me. I mean make a diss track about me. I know I've made a bit of my looks a bit weird, but the skull mask is a bit uncomfortable, you know. So I had to put the hat on, put on a hoodie, keep the balaclava on, and yeah. Hope you guys enjoy. Let's begin. Damn it! Damn it, I have to restart this. I have to restart. It's too hard. I lost already. It's to the pig thing. Let's have a go again. So hard. I didn't see that. Oh no. Oh no. Damn it! This is the things agony how I laugh. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh, I'm dying. Oh no. Oh. I got a lot of diss tracks. I got a lot of diss tracks on me. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh.
I'm ready. Whoa.
That was a good idea. Oh no.
Everyone knows.
No! Right. Aww.
Not your body, your feet.
Oh. Ha!
Are you okay?
Oh no, I know this is how gonna end.
Come on, Mimi.
I don't even care, that was a crash mat, that wasn't even that bad. and he just flopped on her back. Oh no. Bloody ads. Slow motion, honestly, this.
Pull your feet up. Bend your knees.
Okay, whack.
Oh! Oh! Oh, she's savage! Oh no, please, wanna. Oh! Oh! Oh. See that again? We gotta see that again. That was just that. Oh, what the hell? Bloody hell. Wait a second. We need to see that again. That was mad. That was mad. That looked absolutely painful. It probably is. Oh, she broke like 10 all of her bones. Oh. Oh my god. Oh my god, that was a weird laugh. That was not bad.
All right, go for it. Oh, it's fast. Whoosh.
Oh. The dinosaur's gonna fall. Oh no. Oh no. Oh! 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 Oh!
Jump off the wall, Sage. Whoa!
That's all of his bones broken. What was that? It landed on the right. Oh! 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 I need time to recover from that. Oh. Anyway, guys, I think this is all I'm gonna record for today. And comment down below what you want me to react to next. And goodbye.